Hey you there official YouTubers, are you ready to start your very own YouTube channel but feeling lost because you have no experience? Don't worry, you are in the right place. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through step by step on how to start YouTube channel even if you have zero knowledge. By the end of this video, you'll be ready to hit that record button with confidence. So stick around because you are not going to want to miss this. You will love what we're going to share with you today. Let's start. Now, first and first, let's talk about why you should start a YouTube channel. Let's talk about that now. Maybe you've been thinking about it for months or even years, but something is holding you back. Maybe you are thinking, I'm not good on camera, what do I even talk about? But here's the secret. Every big YouTuber you see today started out feeling the exact same way you're feeling now. What matters is that you just get started. Just start with something. The longer you wait, the longer it will take to see any growth. Did you know that YouTube has over 2.6 billion monthly users? That is 2.6 billion potential viewers just waiting for you to put your content out there. They are waiting for you, only you. Now, before you jump in, you need to figure out what your channel will be about. Don't worry, this doesn't have to be complicated. The most successful YouTube channels focus on a specific niche, like gaming, like beauty. It can be tutorial, it can be lifestyle, tech, whatever you're passionate about. Pick something you can talk about forever, because YouTube is actually like a marathon. It's never like a sprint. So if you're unsure, start by thinking about your hobbies, skills, or even your job. Are you great at cooking? Do you love giving life advice? Or maybe you are into DIY projects. There is an audience for everything. Everything you want to choose, you have audience for it. Alright, so remember, your passion will keep you going when things get tough. Passion first, consistency definitely. Okay, now that you have an idea of what your channel will be about, let's talk about what you need to actually get started. And spoiler alert, is not much. Don't let fancy equipment you see out there stop you. All you need is a smartphone, some good lighting, and your unique ideas. Seriously, your phone is all you need to start filming. Most modern smartphones have good cameras, they have great cameras. Find a well-lit spot. Natural lighting from a window is perfect. And hit record. Start recording straight away. So if you want to invest a little bit, you can grab an affordable tripod and maybe a ring light, but you don't need all the high-end equipment right away. Focus on improving your content and your skills first. Next up, getting comfortable in front of the camera. I know this part can be intimidating, especially if you are camera shy, but here's a little trick. Practice. The more you do it, the easier it gets. Try talking to your camera like you're chatting with a friend. Keep your energy up, and remember, no one is expecting perfection. Start anyhow, baby. Here's a pro tip. Record a few test videos that you don't even plan to upload. This will help you get more comfortable and iron out any kinks you think you have. It's okay to be nervous. The best way to beat your nerves is to just start. You have got your niche, you have got your phone ready, and you are starting to feel more comfortable on camera, right? But here is the most important part: consistency. If you have got to post regularly if you want to grow, you have got to post regularly if you actually want to grow. Consistency is key on YouTube. It doesn't matter if you post once a week or twice a month, just be consistent. Create a content schedule that works for you. If you are busy, batch film a few videos at once so you can upload them on time. Just if it is one weekend you have time, you can create like 2-3 videos, then it will be useful for the next 3 weeks or so. And that is it. You now know how to start a YouTube channel with zero experience. The most important thing is to take that first step and just start. Remember, everyone starts from somewhere. Even the biggest YouTubers you admire. So hit that record button, and who knows, maybe your channel will be the next big thing. Let's celebrate you. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what your channel is going to be about. I would like to give you some ideas. I can't wait to see what you create. Until next time, happy filming.